In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link Docusign to Pipedrive CRM in just 5 minutes. This integration is a game changer for streamlining your document management and sales pipeline processes, allowing you to manage contracts and agreements seamlessly alongside your customer relationships. So, let's dive right in. First things first, you'll need to navigate to the Pipedrive website. This is your hub for managing your entire sales process, and it's essential to have it open before we proceed. Once there, head over to the login page. Make sure you have your login credentials handy. If you're not already logged in, take a moment to enter your details and access your account. Now that you're logged in and at your Pipedrive home, it's time to locate the three-dot icon. This is usually found in the upper section of your dashboard. It's your gateway to additional options and customizations, including the integration setup we are doing today. Clicking on it will reveal a drop-down menu. From this drop-down menu, your next destination is the Marketplace. This is where you'll find a variety of apps and integrations that can enhance the functionality of Pipedrive. So go ahead and click on Marketplace to open it. Once you're in the Marketplace, you'll want to locate the search bar. This is typically located at the top of the page. In this search bar, type in Docusign. The search function will quickly generate a list of related apps, making it easier for you to pinpoint the exact integration you're looking for. When Docusign appears in your search results, you'll want to click on it to explore the integration further. Here, you'll usually find a detailed description of what the Docusign integration can do for you, along with user reviews and ratings, which can be quite insightful. After reviewing, if you're satisfied and ready to proceed, there will be an option to install or connect this integration to your Pipedrive account. Follow the prompts to complete the setup process. The instructions will guide you through any authorizations that may be required to sync Docusign with your current Pipedrive setup. Congratulations, you've now successfully linked Docusign to Pipedrive. This connection will not only help you save time, but also ensure that your contracts and agreements are as organized and efficient as your CRM system. Now, enjoy the enhanced productivity this integration brings to your workflow. And there you have it. If you run into any issues or have further questions, Pipedrive's support documentation or community forums can be tremendously helpful. Thanks for watching, and happy selling!